everybody, Asong Filipina, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I still have my blue nail polish today, and I have a shopping here. So it's from Nike. So I went shopping today. It's shoes and the flip-flops. So before we start, I have to put my anklet. So this is my favorite anklet from a friend. And then I also have my two ring. So I have two rings here. Wait hard. I also put in the other side. It's quite noisy. I did not use mic. Sometimes when I use mic, it's low bat and cannot hear my voice, so I better just do it live like this. So this is just yeah, that's my touring. Okay. Well, for today's video, I have my flip-flops here from Pin Shop, and this is not a sponsored video. So this is $229, so it's about $5. So it's blue, and also we can try this on. So my doggy is here watching me. Itchy, itchy. So we can try this. She also wants in the video. It's quite hard. I used the there you go. Okay. And after this one we can try on, but for now we'll see. Beautiful. So I usually tripod for the video, and that's why I hang my feet. It's quite noisy outside. Next time I'm gonna use my mic. And then I have also this green. I wear this one walking in the mall today with my outfit now. And let's try again. So for dangling video, it's very nice. It's very comfortable to wear. Don't worry, I'm with my short. I'm wearing my short. So